Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy and I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I just wanted to share with you another Thrifty Thursday. So this is all the remaining paper that I've got left from my Stitch Together scrapbooking kit. So I like to use up as much of it as I can, which in my last video, my last Thrifty Thursday video, I showed you how I used squares. This time I'm going to show you how to create a card using just 1/2 inch strips. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to use one of our pre-made card bases again. Like I said before, I like to use them. They are great. They're already pre-cut, pre-scored. So you just fold it in the middle, and they are 5.5 inch by 4.25 inch. So I'm going to make the card in horizontal, and then I'll have my strips going across this way diagonally, and once it's done it's going to look quite effective, and it again uses up most of your paper packs. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so first of all I've got to just cut all the paper, all the strips that I've got here left to 1/2 inch. So I've cut a load to 1/2 inch, and now what I want to do is bring in my card, and then I'm just going to start layering them, you know, across here to see what kind of pattern I want to do. So essentially this is what you're doing. I'm going to then try and stick stuff down, cut it up. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so that's my first one. So that's my first guide. Alright, so then I'm just going to start layering all of these down now. So now we've got what this looks like. Alright, it kind of looks like a bit of a jumbled mess, but I'm just going to trim up all of it, and then you'll see how it looks in the end. Okay, so I've trimmed everything up. Look how effective that looks, and all I've done is done, you know, 1/2 inches of the paper that I had left over. Alright, now we're just going to add a sentiment on the front of this card, and then it'll be done. Alright, so I'm going to use this stamp set here. This is the You Make Me Happy Operation Smile stamp. It's still currently available, and I'm going to use the little fox here, which I have already pre-stamped previously. I've got piece of sapphire, so I'm going to pop it on the front of the card like that, and I'm going to stamp a sentiment there, and I'll probably stamp thinking of you. Alright, so let's just stamp that. There we go. Pop these out of the way. Bring it back in our card, and we'll pop it on there like that. Okay, so I've got my little image here, and it's got thinking of you on it. I'm going to pop it up on some 3D foam tape. And then I'm just going to use the our clear shimmer brush here just to add a little bit of sparkle to my little character here. I'm not actually going to colour him in. Alright, you just have to wait till he dries a little bit, but there you go. So that is our card. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, so I've used just 1/2 inch strips of my remaining paper pack, and I've made a card out of it. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!